Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel One to Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to hide games from your friends in Steam. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already installed the application. In case you have not done that, we'll do it right now. We have also created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to hide the games. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply shift right over to library. It's right next to store. Click on it right now. And right here, as you can see, this is a game that I had downloaded. Now let's simply look at how to hide the game. Simply go to the game right now. Well, once you do and the game's page opens up, as you can see, lots of things. Right now, all we want to do is focus on how to hide it from our friends. At the right side, there is a settings button right here called as manage. Click on it right now. Click on it. And from here, as you can see, there are a multitude of things. Right now, all we want to do is make it private. So let's simply have over to manage. And right here, lots of options. You can add it to desktop, browse local files and everything. But right now, all we want to do is make it private. So let's click on this button right here that says mark as private. It's gonna ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on mark as private. And guys, that is it. That's how we hide games from your friends in Steam. It is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.